middle of a big work stint. I came back to the States at the end of December and now it's, or mid-December, and now it is the end of January. So I am getting all of my flying done for December, January, and I moved everything into February. So while I've been here in between trips, I kind of was looking at old footage that I had that I just never edited and put up. Even though it's not quite where the level I'd want it to be, I still think it's relevant to those of you that might be moving to Okinawa, or if you just want a glimpse of what Okinawa is like. I do have more 2023 content coming from Japan and possibly my life flying and commuting from Okinawa. This isn't anything exciting, but in case you're moving to Okinawa, maybe you would kind of want an idea of furniture shopping, what there's available. We're headed to Nitori. It's kind of like the Japanese Ikea. So we've gone a really long time without having blackout curtains, and since it's getting closer to summer, it gets super hot, and so it actually helps to have curtains to block the heat. So that's kind of on the agenda today.
I got 150s by 200.
So I try to thrift a lot of my things, but unfortunately finding the exact kind of curtains that you want and the right length can be tough. So we went to Nitori, which has pretty much everything you need. But now we're headed to round one, which is like, I think an arcade slash batting cages and, I don't know, mini golf. And maybe stop at State Street. It's called Stateside Town, so that's definitely on my list of things to do.
Coming up on Xebio. That's where we got the ping pong table for the team room. And then round one is right here. They got basketball, batting cages, go-kart, ping pong, soccer.
This is a huge sporting goods store. They have pretty much everything. Alright, round one was closed, so we're like, I guess we'll go to Stateside Town. So each little place is a different business. Little cafes, restaurants. Oh my gosh, they have these little signs too. Okay, some places actually are open, so we're really excited. This is so cute. We're gonna go check out a hamburger place for Chris. So we were walking along just the few shops, checking out what's open, and we stumbled upon Cokofu, and it's all vegan, like sweet shop. That is my favorite thing in the world. So I'm super pumped. This is Cokofu with ice cream, and this is what I got right here. This is the benimo, which is like sweet potato, and then banana crepe. So I'm excited. One of my favorite things about Okinawa is just literally there are so many little tucked away places. It amazes me for being an island. Usually they just have vegan options, but we had everything was vegan. This is very popular. Like, you'll see a lot of desserts in Okinawa with this, especially at the airport. Must be like coconut whipped cream. That's good. It's like not overly sweet. Woo! I need to get the car going. It is hot.
Mm.
美味しそう。Okay, we're going down the caves. This is kind of crazy. This is where the Japanese naval commanders kind of hid out during the war. So they said we can film. This is really cool if you're into history. And if you just live in Okinawa, I think you need to have a full understanding of what happened here. It gives you a true appreciation for life and peace. It turned out to be, but I could not follow instructions. All thanks to Hisaka. And this is a red rice cake and red beans. It's from 7-Eleven. I am Team Family Mart, but this looks really good. Mmm! It's like, wow! You wanna try it?
That's good.
It's delicious. I'm making a mess. Thanks again for tuning in, you guys. I'll see you in the next one.